Hello, welcome to Smart Steel. We are proud to introduce Smart Steel as a tanker and highly manufactures with more than 100 numbers, PF highly experienced, and technician employees working on 2 shifts. We are having well-organized vehicle bodies, industries factory with all required infrastructure, machine, skate, manpower, and supporting staff. Smart Steel and Welding Workshop LLC was started in 2020 in Sharjah, Emirates. Our factory is located in Sharjah Industrial Area, Sharjah. It occupies more than 2,000 w.app with well-equipped machineries, hence reducing the risk of human error, which is normally associated with such an industry. We are doing all type of tankers and trailers. Tanker and trailer manufacturing is a complex process which encompasses product uniqueness and high product mix and number of activities involving a variety of equipment and disciplines. As a tanker and trailer manufacturer, we applied all these advanced tools and techniques in order to estimate, plan, and control fabrication activities. We export to countries like Oman, Qatar, Iraq, Saudi Arab, Bahrain, Sudan, and African countries as well. Our commitment is a quality works completed within the client, program schedule, and have confidence with the expertise personnel teamwork and machinery strength. You can also get in touch with us in case you have any query. It will be completely our pleasure to serve you.